Let's get into the market outlook. All right, so the S&P, we experienced some harsh selling at the beginning of last week, and then when Russia officially invaded Ukraine, we got that big gap down Thursday morning. No one expected it, and what does the market do? It rips higher from there. So then we were coming in today. Could we maintain that strength with things looking like they're escalating over the weekend? And we got a very healthy day of consolidation. The question on everyone's mind now is last Thursday's low, the bottom of this market. We still have major headwinds ahead of us. We still, this Russia-Ukrainian situation could evolve and get much worse, which, all signs look like it's going to get worse before it gets better. And, we still have the Fed raising interest rates in the next couple weeks. So we'll see what they do. We don't want to make any grand calls. We'll take it day by day with the price action. But that was very, very healthy and a very huge support area for us to bounce off of. So that at least we got some good news from the market from a price action standpoint. What are you thinking over there, Ben?
Yeah, so definitely, like I said, like short term, like that new pivot low 410 is like kind of the hard out. But like a little bit more medium term, or stepping back a little bit, technically the market is still in like a breakdown stage. We're seeing lower highs and lower lows. And until that trend really changes, and that's something you can see even more clearly like in the telecom space, that this sector has been breaking down, for basically this second half of 2021, and that same thing, lower highs and lower lows is that breakdown trend. And from that you get a basing. Typically after that you get a basing stage, and then from after that you get a breakout stage. And what we're seeing in the SPY, if you can draw those kind of horizontal lines, you can see those lower lows and lower highs. So bigger, longer term, or more than this past weeks of trading, we're kind of still in that overall downtrend where until we can put in a new higher pivot low and a new higher pivot high, we're kind of still in that overall downtrend. But in the short term stuff, again, like the bounce from Thursday to today has been a very impressive bounce as we kind of run back up, and we'll see if the 200-day kind of continues to act as resistance.